Hey guys, I'm Elizabeth and I'm here at White Lotus Home headquarters. I've been asked to give some feedback on our beautifully handmade in US pillows versus another manufacturer's conventional style type of pillow. So here we are. We randomly got a pillow off the internet that had some reviews, and actually this is what I got when I opened it out of the box. It is made out of some type of foam. It has a very strong scent to it that I am not accustomed to, being around our natural products for so many years. Smelling toxins or anything that's not natural and organic is really, oh my gosh, what is this? I don't even want to put my nose to it because I'm sure it's not something safe to smell. So just so you know, guys, this is what you get when you purchase things that are not handmade in the US. White Lotus Home handmade pillows. This is an organic cotton, beautifully handmade in the US. I'm going to open this pillow up and all you're going to see is one thing. Guess what? Pure organic cotton. No different colors, no foam, no plastics, nothing. Encased in a beautiful organic cotton casing, and also proudly handmade by us at White Lotus Home. Thanks.